Hi friends, I'm Papa Nick, your DM, gaming, anime, nerd, video game dork boy dad. Not your dad, but a dad? Let's do some Teardown. This particular mission, guys, looks super easy. I don't know that I even need to cover it. Well, but you know what? Real quick, let's just knock it out of the park. Okay, so all we really have to do is destroy that boat, so I'm assuming this one's gonna be, really quick. Cool. Cool. Oopsie. Oh, nice. Oh, hey, don't drown. Cool. Yeah, I bet you we can do this one in no time at all. Okay. Jump. Yeah, I was looking at this one, and it's literally just destroy a boat, no alarms, no nothing. I mean, I think this one's just for funsies, guys, so the only reason I'm going to include it is because, well, I'm trying to go in order at this point for the perfect runs. I think this one, I kind of looked at the next ones too. They also look super easy. Maybe a little tedious, or maybe like you just got to kind of play them carefully, but other than that, you know, pretty straightforward. Can I jump up here? Awesome, thanks. I just need a few bombs and we should be done here. I mean, what? First 2 minutes, we're down to 50%? I think there was one up here. Yup. What is that? Oh! Oh, there you go, guys. That is how you beat, what was this one called again? This was, Elana's Revenge. Yup. Piece of cake. Maybe this one gives you kind of an excuse to just chillax and search for all the stuff you didn't find, all the treasure. All the treasure. Whoop. Jump. Alright, where's that boat? Surprising. Thought for sure that would do it. Alright, that's fine. Alright, bombs. Can I, You're not gonna let me up, are ya? Oh, perfect. So we'll just put one right here. And one in there for sure. And one right there. What is that? Cables. Don't need cables. Okay, let's finish it up. Alright, well guys, that is a weirdly easy one considering all of the nonsense they put me through on this island. Alright, maybe it was just a palate cleanser, you know, kind of a super duper easy one to make you feel like you're the boss. Moving on. Come on. Yup. Done. Next. Alright, Truckload of Trouble. So, they think they know who's behind all the town destructions and constant thieveries, so they're gonna try to murder that person. And they've asked for my help in securing a stuck tanker of military goods to help murder said person, who is definitely not me. 2 of them, actually. And spares? Where's the spares? Way over there. Okay. Alright, well. I gotta get it up on land. Lame. Hey, I got my stuff back! Uh-oh. Okay, so in theory I could smash all of the ice and slowly retrieve these boats. Oh my gosh, that would be ugly though. Okay, but what are my other options here? Oh, drive? So I guess my other option is get it on land. What is this? I don't even understand. This half of a tractor? Okay, is there a crane? A crane would be awesome. That's not a crane. That's not a crane. That's a crane right there. Alright, I'm gonna grab that. Is that a mega crane? Hold on. A mega crane would be way cooler. I can't get a mega crane to me though. There's no way it would fit in this, right? Right? Oh, but look at you, big boy. Why, hello there, sexy. Okay, let's see. Support legs. Oh, awesome. Okay. Oh, maybe I could fit. Alright, so I have to park it, and then what? Operate. Yeah, operate separately. Alright. Cool, cool, cool. I can't even see it. It's so big. Okay. All right. I mean, yeah. And what's up with this? Another piece to the puzzle? Seems that way. Ah, am I gonna have to fight that thing? That'd be awesome. Alright. Yeah, driving the boat out seems like a pain in the ass. Let's do this. There we go. Oh, this is collapsed? Interesting. Oopsie, oopsie. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on! Okay, alright. Hold on a second. Alright, I think I did it bad. Nope, this is... Yep, goodbye. Oh! I don't want to drown! Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. So if this is collapsed... Could I make it uncollapsed? I can make it uncollapsed. Alright. Sure, whatever. There we go. Yep. 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 No? Tree? I do not need your timber embrace. Okay, cable. Cable? Cable. I can't hook that. Tree, I'm gonna murder you. Okay, but... Oh, there we go. Let me just put a cable here. To... this. Isn't that water cold? Whatever. Wow, still don't fit, huh? Keep editing. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, and then we just... go. Master thief in work. Yeah. You know what? Quick save. Just in case there's any shenanigans. Alright. Ooh. Nah, it's fine. Is there a fire alarm? Fire alarm. No fire alarm. Alright. Cool, cool. Who keeps putting this rock here every time I play on this level? These people and their town rocks, man. Come on. Alright, beautiful. Hey! Out of my way. Out of my way. Oh, man. Where? So I gotta park it here. Okay. Right. Hey guys, your town is messy and gross and dumb and I hate it. So, just some constructive criticism. That's all. Oh, Tokyo Drift! Alright. You hang out there. Alright, Mr. Truck, we're gonna make you forward drive. Forward drive? Front wheel drive, forward drive. You know, forward drive. It's the opposite of backwards drive. No. There's no need to get crazy. Let's just get up here and vehicle booster. Oh, you're not a working vehicle. That's awesome. Well, okay. Can I slide you across the snow? Yes! Yes, I can. Oh, well, if it doesn't matter, then let's... Oh, really? For reals? There we are. Okay, and then we use the cable because it's the perfect weapon. And oh, so close. Oh my, oh my, oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, we're good. Oh. Would this do it? No. Cool. Alright, softballs, guys. Softballs. They're throwing softballs. That was not a testicle joke. Okay. And after that time you tried to hunt me down with a helicopter, you're giving me this? It's a little insulting if we're being honest. Hey guys, why is there nobody in this town? I mean, last time there was a tornado, and then the time before that, they were like, hey, let's plan to murder a guy who's going to pass through here, everyone evacuate. Why is there no one in the town now? Snow? Oh, that's a new vehicle. I like that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Oh, easy there. There's no need to Tokyo drift with the crane. Alright, and then we just get that out of the way. This seems safe. Yep. Hop right in the water. I'm sure it's nice and warm. Oh, hurt by cold water. Get out. Get out. Get out. All right. Okay. All right. Yep. That's fair. Cool. Casual thievery. Alright. Cool. Get that out of my way. Let's put a pipe bomb here. Yeah, just to get a little bit more of that out of the way. Alright, that should do it. Cool. Yeah, I've actually been a crane operator in real life for about 30 years now. Just retired. It wasn't really doing it. It wasn't really doing it for me. Oh, don't you flip on me. Don't you dare flip on me. Okay, cool. Okay, there's no need to move around like crazy. That's not necessary. There we go. Alright, what's that? Why are you stuck to me? None of that. And we already cleared this with the other one, as per my amazing planning. What am I even looking at here? It's gotta be like the back half of the other vehicle, right? Easy peasy. Yeah! Woo! Oh, I'm not sliding that. That's sliding me, alright. Yeah, I've been a professional drifter for over 30 years, so it comes with the territory. Oh, hey! Nice. Alright, we're here. Alright. Oopsie daisy. That's the wrong thing. Alright. Let us... I don't need that. Well, if I don't have to worry about fires, then let's just go ahead and... yeah, let's do that. Let's level this building so that I can have fun with that big toy. Nice. Yeah. There we go. Nice and clean. Oh. Nice. Oh man, I could have just leveled this whole area with the tractor or whatever. Bulldozer. I guess I'll leaf blow it all away. That is a good leaf blower, guys. What is that, a Stanley? Is that a Stanley leaf blower? Guys, I've been a professional leaf blower for over 30 years and I've never seen a leaf blower this good. I highly recommend you get one. I don't know if Stanley makes leaf blowers. If anyone out there is actually saying out loud, well, actually, the best leaf blower is not a Stanley, but a... Then, I mean, good for you. You know your stuff. I don't. Sorry. Alright. Okay. Now we do legs. How you do legs? Wait. Support legs. Left mouse button, right mouse button. Why is it not doing anything? Oh, there we go. Gotta hold it. That's a little sketchy. Let's, yeah. I'm sure 2 pieces of wood will be good enough. And you know what? Safety first. All right. I mean, I'd like it more symmetrical if possible. Am I stuck? I'm not picking this up. Yeah, okay, I was about to say... No! No! Don't you dare fall in there. Okay. And then we just... sniper rifle. Where you going, little guy? I'm not even gonna save. That's how confident I am. Those boards are doing it. I guess no extension would be good. Oh, I probably don't even have to, like... I could drive this out, right? Wait. Hold on. You're gonna tip the dang vehicle over. Damn it, Bobby. Alright, bring it up. And, maybe that way. Oh, man. Alright, don't destroy it. You're getting paid for this. There we go. If I'd gone the other way, probably would have tipped it. Oh, okay. Alright. Easy there. Easy there, Tiger. Nice. This is not a vehicle. Maybe the front half of it was? I don't even know what's going on anymore. Okay, well... It's time to make ourselves a convoy. Convoy! Alright, retract the legs. Back it up a smidge. Hook that by accident, because why not? Where you going there, bud? And you're coming back. What is happening? Okay, I need you to chill out. Alright, let's... Sorry about your house. Okie doke. So let's just cable it up. Ah! Alright, that should be good. Nope. Alright, didn't mean to do that. Oh boy. I knew it would fit. Cable is the solution to all problems. Alright, then we just get down to the base. What's happening? Whoa! Hey there, easy, easy, easy. Alright, let's go! Can I make... Can I make this turn? Yes, of course I can. I just gotta... gotta think like a convoy trucker. Guys, I've been a convoy trucker for over 30 years. There we are. Alright, then we just turn a little wide and we got it. We're good. Oh, you know what? I did forget one thing. Guys, if you're ever towing, there's one huge step you have to remember, and that's that, you gotta make sure you got rocket boosters on your car. One there, and then you put one on the trailer to make sure it goes real fast. Alright. It's faster than the car. Okay, hold on. Hold on. So you gotta have an even amount of thrust when you rocket boost. Oh, well, I ran out. So, keep moving. Yeah, like that. See? Professional. Alright, turn. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice, very nice. Alright. Come on. Nope, nope. Nope. We're not done. We're not done until this big, beautiful vehicle is in the water. That one too, I guess. Whatever. Yeah! Bloop. Oh, I'm gonna drown. No, no, no. I don't want to go out like this. You are my baby and no one's allowed to have you. Oh, wow. You actually are okay. I think I can leave now. Cake, guys, cake. So good. Alright. Nice. Alright, finally a challenge. Steal as many decorations as possible without getting caught by robots, who will automatically sound the alarm. No water nearby to drown them, so, yeah, looks like I gotta be extra careful. Okay, I'm curious to see what their alarm sounding range is gonna be. That's perfect, run it! Here you guys. Oh. There you are. There you are. See ya. Come on. Pro strat. Dang it. That was the opposite. Come on. Come on. If I could... No. Yeah. Sorta? Sorta that. There we go. Alright. Dang it. That's not what I meant to do. So they'll just sound the alarm if they hear me, huh? I have planks for days, guys. Right. There we go. That is not what I meant to do, but that's fine. Okay, could you stop? Stop. There we go. There we go. Okay. Oh, so close. Oh, there's another level. And is that a robot right there? I think it is. There you go, guys. Cheesing my way to victory. Whoa! Okay, I didn't ask for that. What? Oh, you're right there. Okay, that's fine. Saw me through the window, did ya? Nobody here. There's no need to panic. Those boards were always there. Wow, you are... Yep. Just totally normal. Yeah, get out of here, you turd. Please? Okay, so I have like a timer that lasts a few seconds or something. Alright guys, that's how you cheese it! Oh my gosh, it's so far! Nobody gets presents this year. Bop. Oh, these are glass. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Well... ornaments at the bottom now. Alright. Good job with that. Okay, can I just, right here? how do I deal with these robots? No, maybe like that. Oh, but there's a fire alarm. Robot, if you could get out, that'd be awesome. I'm screwing myself over here. Yep. Let's quick save. Let's just quick save. Mr. Robot. Oh, you're trapped down there, aren't you? Excellent. Alright, we just put that outside, and then we come back for it later. Are you stuck? Hey, game. What was that about? How do I get rid of you? Can't kill you. No. Fire is bad. I have no way of getting rid of you, huh? That's annoying. Alright, I'll come back. Let's see. That one's on the ground. That one's on the ground. That one's... I don't know where that one is. Oh, you're right above me. Excellent. What? Okay, so I'm just gonna... Yeah, it's probably fine if they're a little crispy. Damn it. Guys, I don't even think I'm getting paid for this mission. I think the guy literally said, like, for old time's sake, could you go steal Christmas lights for my new theme park? And I'm like, really? You cheap ass. Alright, I don't even know why I'm doing this one for you, man. Oh! Alright, hopefully this guy's gone and I can grab this one and rip it out now. Where are you? Oh, did it never fall? That's a bummer. Let's, How many of there are you? Ooh, because if I get 60 seconds after you've spotted me, I am golden. Oh! Let's decorate the car. There we go. Very nice. We just need to secure it. Safety first. Yeah. Very nice. Ah. It's only June and I feel so Christmassy. Whoa, hey, hey, there we go. There we are. Beautiful. Oh, it's the Christmas holiday car. It's a good holiday car. You come in this way? Wouldn't advise for it. Just, you know, like, there's no reason for you to come over here. You're a robot. Could I just kind of with you a little bit? Damn. Fall down, you turd. Oh. Woo! Drift! Nice. Where's my getaway vehicle again? There we are. Nice. Oh, man. Oh, fire's putting itself out, as fire likes to do. Excellent. Oh. No. You didn't see anything. Dumb robot. Oh, fire's getting bigger now? How many robots are in here? Oh, the building is on fire so hard. I'm gonna lose. Alright, well. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Get off of there! Okay. Okay, we're good. Probably. Everything is fine and good and great and awesome and normal. Oh! Nothing to see here. Just gonna... Is that working? Idiots. Okay. Okay, so I think my star is right there, and then where's the other thing? Yeah, there it is. Okay. If anybody says anything, I just give them a quick rocket and ba-boom. Gonna do this one first try. Quick save. I don't want to walk those both over there, so let's just drag them in the most Christmassy fashion we can think of. You know what? I've decided this mall deserves to have its decorations stolen. It's only Christmas decorations. Guys, where's the inclusive stuff, huh? You didn't bring it. You didn't bring it. And now? Krampus is here to ruin your day. One more. Two more. I'm bad at counting. Okay, so this thing right here up against the wall, that'd be cool, because then I could just, No, it's not. Alright, well. Nothing going on here. Yep, keep on walking. Just in case you turn that corner there, friend. Where are you? I'm not afraid of you. Come get it. Can you just get off of that for me, though? That'd be great. Oh, man. One. Okie doke. Just that one right there that's guarded. And I'm done. Let's take a car. I don't really want to puff it back. Whoa! Whoa! Hey! Oh! Nice! You're still here? Yep. Where's your friend at? Yeah, that'll do. Oh my gosh. Game. Game. Yeah. Woo! If you give me no money for the job, you get a garbage-ass job. Hope you like your dumb Christmas lights. Wait, well, I don't really need to wait for the 60 seconds. It's done. Easy. Just chug a couple energy drinks. Ba, ba, ba. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, gonna get an ulcer. Love it. Alright, guys, those were way too easy, so, I don't know. If there's one that you actually need, leave a comment and let me know, and I'll jump right on it. Thank you so much for watching the video today, guys. If you enjoyed this content, like, subscribe. It helps the channel grow. It's so easy. One little click and boom, my dreams come true. Okay, maybe not my dreams coming true, but you get the point. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye. Oh, I'm a savant. Well, oh my.